Hey everyone, it's Jafar. Today, I'm going to show you how to use GrowthBar SEO to write a powerful article and a blog post that will help you drive organic traffic to your website. Firstly, what is SEO? SEO or search engine optimization is the key if you want your content to rank high on the Google. Note, high ranking means more people find your website organically without having to pay for ads. And that's where GrowthBar SEO comes in. GrowthBar is an all-in-one SEO designed for marketers, bloggers, business owners who want to write blog and rank higher on the search engine. Let me show you how it works. Let me show you how it works here. So in my own case, you can simply go to growthbarseo.com to create your account, and this is the interface that it will bring you to. So let's say I click on blog post generator. I've already clicked on it earlier. So this is the new article. This is a new article here. You can optimize an existing article which you have posted earlier to make it rank on Google. So I will simply, let's say I'm focusing on, let me zoom in so that you can see what I'm talking about. You can see enter a focused keyword. So I'm focusing my own article on cyber security insurance. So I'll click on this AI to generate a title for me. So once the AI generates a title, you can see it brings safeguard your future masters at security insurance with the essential proven strategies. So I can click on generate again so as to stand out from others. You know, there are a lot of people, a lot of content writers using this app. So you have to generate it like 5 times so as your article to stand out and to rank on Google. So I'll click on advance. I'll select advance here and click on submit. So it will take about 2 minutes to, you can see, analyze the SRP for the keyword association, content optimization, and headline suggestion. So once it's finished loading, so it will bring 2 minutes first draft builder, outline, content, and draft. So you have to outline. You can see this is www.ftc.gov, which means these are the, you can see this is another one here, www.fortinet.com, and this is another one here, www.travelers.com. This means these are the organization or website that is ranking on the Google search. These are the organization that is ranking on the Google search. So this SEO tools, this GrowthBar SEO will help you optimize your content to fit and to make your content rank and drive organic traffic to your website. So in my own case, I will choose this. I will select this. I'll select. Once you select the one of your choice, you can simply click on next step. So you wait while once you click on next step, so wait while it will load. It is fully loaded. You can simply check and read through the article that it is going to produce paragraph by paragraph. You can simply read it here. You can simply scroll down. So once you have read, you can easily delete anyone you don't like. You can simply delete them. So in my own case, I'm not deleting anyone, so I'll click on next step and wait for the tools to generate my article. So you can see it's actually generating my article automatically. It's generating my article automatically. So it's generating my article automatically. So as it is now. So let's wait while it is generating the article. You can see it has created about 50 paragraphs, over 100 and so it created about 1,733 words and 9 headline with 58 paragraph, which is ranking about 57%. Is ranking about 57% now. So what you're going to do for me is click on this external link. You can see these are the website that you want to outrank, that you want your content to rank and gain organic traffic. So you simply add them. You add like 5. You can simply add all this, add them. You can see as we are adding them, this is increasing. You can simply add like 5. Add them. So you can simply add them to outrank them. So make sure is when you add them is over like 70%. Once it is over 70%, the image you are going to be used with, the image and your internal link of your website is going to carry the other 30%. So your image is going to carry the 30%. If you need a VPN, comment VPN in the comment section so that I can drop VPN for you. And if you need the subscribe proxy, I can easily drop subscribe proxy for you if you need them. And if you need this full tutorial on how to post this, kindly comment I need a full tutorial so that I can send it personally to you on how to post the article we have just generated. This is the article here. You can simply, I will teach you how to post. I will send a video, a full tutorial on how to post the article. So if you need anything, don't forget to follow us